guys, namaste. Welcome back to my channel video. As you can see from the title that today's video would be a IKEA's haul. So I recently went to IKEA. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you might know that I recently went to IKEA and it was a great experience going to IKEA. I went with my family. So I would be showing some clips that how exactly the IKEA looks, and afterwards I would be showing the haul that what products I bought from IKEA and the cost of course. Before going to IKEA, you just have to register yourself first. The link would be there into description box that you can check it out. Once you have done with the registration, the QR code to your WhatsApp, you have to show that QR code and they would be scanning, and then you can visit to IKEA. Now IKEA is literally huge and you can just buy multiples of things. You get furniture, you get home decor. Now, IKEA is so huge that you can get everything. I already have bought home decor and some home stuff. So going to IKEA, guys, please make sure that you wear a comfortable shoe. IKEA इतना बड़ा है कि आपके literally पैर भी दुखने लग जाएंगे, जैसे मेरे भी दुखने लग गए थे. So make sure that you wear a comfortable shoes, that you are comfortably, you can roam to IKEA till end. I think it was a great experience going to IKEA. If you guys are interested in this video, know that you just have to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon that you get notified whenever I upload a video, and do not forget to click on the like button also if you like my video. And let's jump to the video now. It's so big that my legs are literally paining here. I almost have a huge bill with me right now, and I would be showing you what exactly I have bought from IKEA. First thing that I bought was a trolley which you can keep your vegetables, or especially for onion and tomato. 1999. Next thing that I bought from IKEA was this artificial plant. Now I really like this artificial plant with pot. Wherever I have some empty space, I keep this artificial plants. And I think so in IKEA you get multiples of plants, you get multiples of flowers there, and which is artificial, and you get multiples of home decor. Now this costed me around 349 rupees. The next thing that I bought is this pot. Now this pot I really wanted to buy it. It is an empty pot. Now this pot is little cute. It is in golden in color and it is in stained steel. To get more decorative, that is why I bought this stainless steel pot, and it was so good that it looked more classy, and you know, whenever you keep somewhere into your home. This pot costed me around 129 rupees. On to the next stuff. Now I bought this pot again. Now this is also called a pot, now which you can hang around your balcony area. You can hang it on and you can just keep the pot, and then you can keep this plant here, and it looks so pretty. And once you apply this artificial, or you can even go for a real plants also, and it just costed me 59 rupees. It was so cheap aside also, but the quality is very good, and you can just keep this into your gardening area, or if you have a balcony to decor it. Are so good that you can really buy multiples of things from IKEA. Stuff is this cup. Now I don't know why this cup, I really like it. I have so many cups right now with me, and I really wanted to have this cup, and I don't know why, I just like the shape of the cup. I really wanted to have one cup, and I don't know why, I just love the color which is blue, and also I really like the shape of it. In me around 99 rupees. Now if you don't like this color, then you might also have multiple color. There was also a sky blue color, pink color, red color, but I really like this color. So moving on to the next product. Now let's go to something ghar ka saman ya ghar ka stuff. So I bought this ironing board into a camera ironing board, and we thought to buy, and it was literally a cheap price. So this board costed me only $2.99. Now I have been seeing into Amazon and Flipkart, its board was around 4 to 500 in Amazon, but when I saw the same thing in IKEA, it was just 299 rupees, and it was so cheap and it is so good quality. The board is literally strong enough that it can handle the pressure, and I really like the board of the quality also. It is very sturdy. On to the next product. Now this is a huge box that I cannot pick up. Now this is a box that I have kept my clothes inside. Now this box is so useful, guys. Now let me just keep down that I cannot handle this. Box is so huge that you can keep your all stuff inside it. I really have a lot of space into that box, and I really have kept my all t-shirts, kids, everything into that box. Box costed me around $2.99. Now you get multiples of boxes and variety of boxes in IKEA. I really wanted to make my wardrobe little systematic, because I really think that I might have bought 2 boxes more to keep my all kurtas and my all traditional dresses. It is so classy that you can really keep your all stuff. It's all that I bought from IKEA. So hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Until then, bye. I'll see you in the next video.